Oh man, I need a haircut. Look at this. It's not even that much of a pandemic anymore, but I don't know, I just haven't got a chance to get my haircut. But yo, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to be working on the wagon. I kind of put the wagon away because winter is pretty much here. We've been getting really cold days, but today for some reason it's really nice. It's 16 degrees. Sun is, you know, out, no clouds, so you know what, let me take the advantage of doing some suspension work. Let's see if I can get as much as I can, but let me show you what I'm working on today. Boom, that's my wagon right there. Let me brighten it up for you guys. Oh man, I love this thing. See, I already put the car cover on, but look at this day, man. Nice and blue, no clouds. Anyways, let me show you the bushings and suspension I got. You know, I got the idle arm right here. I think this was like 20 bucks. I only got one tie rod. I don't know what happened in the shipping, but I need to get another one. This is the transmission bushing. So I just got the OEM, nothing crazy. I think this was like 10 bucks. I can't really remember. Really cheap. Rock Auto, guys. There's still some parts for the Corona. If you guys are looking for some Corona parts, head to Rock Auto. What is this actually? What's this one here? Can't remember. Anyway, so these are the suspension stuff that I got. I'm not gonna show you guys. These are just like engine mounts and whatever. I'll show you guys when I'm putting it on. But this is the issue that I'm having, and this is the reason why I'm doing this. All right. So it might be a little shaky when I get in the car. Don't mind that. But I have a lot of play in the steering wheel. Look at this. This is not normal. It shouldn't be like this, especially when I'm on the highway. When I drive on the highway, it's sketchy because the car just like to just go like this. It's sketchy, bro. Like I'm driving and I have to yeah, it's weird, man. If you have like an old car, you know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of play in the steering wheel, so it's hard to control the car. So I'm gonna make this car drive like new again. That's the goal, to make this car drivable. Like, check this out. Like, I know I showed you guys already, but oh my gosh, this is not normal. Look at the wheel, it barely moves, and I'm moving it right now. See that? Nothing. So definitely there's a lot of play on this suspension on the front. The back, there's not much bushings at the back, so I'm not gonna really worry about the back yet, but I really want to focus on the front, because most of the suspension's in the front. So hey guys, every time you guys gonna be working underneath the car, please put some jacks, jack stand. Put the wheel underneath, so just in case, because you don't want to be the car following you guys, and that will suck, you know. So, you know, a couple jack stands you get, you're safe. I like to leave the hydraulic jack on, not like all the way, just in case the jack stands fail. So just be safe. All right, that's how I put the jack stands in the jack. I just left it there just for safety, so the car doesn't follow me, because that would suck. And I'm alone too. All right, got the wheel off. I'm gonna be showing you guys. Look at the sway bar bushing. Let me focus for you guys. It's not focusing. Right there, look at that. I see like there's a play there. So I don't know the condition of it. They don't look too bad, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna change it. Yeah, this suspension, this bushing here is toasted too. The shocks were changed, but I don't know about the bushing. The ball joint, this one right here, this is done. Like, I can't find this. I mean, I found few, but I have to make sure they fit. But this upper ball joint, it's done. Like, there's a lot of noise coming from here. Every time I hit like a bump, just goes like da 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 da. So this needs to be addressed very quick. I will find the ball joints for this. Oh, look at this one's right here. Oh my goodness, this one is bacon. No bueno. Oh, it's moving. I'm gonna hold the bottom for this. And change this one right here first, just because, you know, it's easier. But it's hot. It's hot. So let me show you the difference. You guys can get there. See the difference? Yeah, get a better view for you guys. But this one is more flatter than this one. I believe this were changed at one point. I just don't know how long was this. All right, guys, I put the new one on. As you can see, it looks good on the blue. I greased everything, all the bolts. Jack up the control arm a little bit so I can put the bottom bolt. There's a little bit of gap here, but once we torque it and tighten it up, it's gonna close up. That's how it looks. It looks good. These bushings, the kit were $13 on Rock Auto. $13 Canadian. Made in the USA. They're not Chinese. USA. So they look good quality. They give you everything except for grease to bolt up the hardware, but that's fine. I had grease here, not a big deal. But 13 bucks for the set. This is the brand right here. AC Delco Professional Chassis. You know, that's the part number. So as you can see, they're made in the USA, so that's good. All right, guys, so this side is in. I'm not going to show you the other side. It's the same process, but I will be doing the sway bar bushing right there. We're going to take a look and see how old it is. Maybe what's changed. I'm actually really curious how bad it is. So that looks good. I like the blue. All right. The bushing right there, they don't look too bad. I think it was changed at one point. I don't know. I'll take it out, and I think these are like 12 or 14. I gotta check. All right, so I took out the sway bar bushings. Look at the difference. The left side is the old one. Obviously, the right one is the new one. You can see the hole, it's a little bigger and it's not circular. The underneath is here it's ripped, so it's no bueno, no muy bueno. So yeah, so it's time to change it. I did this bushing here, but it looks like it's not the right size. It didn't fit properly, so I'm gonna have to change that later on, but it's better than before. I'm gonna leave it on for now. It was AC install, but I paid like $2 for this, but I don't think they are for the right car. They were made in Japan, good quality, but it's not made for the right car because Let me show you. So let me lower the brightness on it. So as you can see here, this is the old one. The new one did not have like this step here. It was just higher up. It was just like flat here. It didn't look like this. So I mean, that one it's better condition than this. I'm gonna leave it on for now. So it's not really anything to concern. It might affect the alignment, I don't know. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so I took this arm here. I guess this is where you control the steering wheel. Check this out. This is bad. Look at that. Shouldn't be like this. There's a lot of play. It's like a weird noise too. So it's pretty easy to get it out. I just used a big socket, and this is 30 millimeter. It's a big bolt you gotta take off right here, and a couple of bangs, and it'll come out pretty well. All right, I got the arm out. You can see this one. This doesn't seem too bad, you know. Still okay, but you know, this one is this is harder, so that's exactly what you want. This one, it could have gotten more miles, but since we're already here, might as well just change it. But I mean, it's already rusty and stuff, so it's probably the original one too, because it was really hard to get it out. So yeah.